ordered some sneakers so I can ride the Ryker route. I've been trying to match them. I want to show you. I ended up getting, these are the Jordan 6, the Carmines, but I don't think it matches the red. I mean, the sneaker's fresh. It's a nice looking sneaker, but we'll take them out. We'll compare them, see what you guys think on that. I ended up getting a pair of Jordan Flight Club 91s. They're not hype or anything. People are not like looking for them like that, but they are nice. I like the color. What do you guys think? There's that, some clear bottom in there. What do you guys think? Which one to wear? I think this one matches. The Flight matches better with my Ryker with the red. But I have these Jordan 13s. Those I use often though. They're comfortable 13s for sure. These Flights, I don't know if this is gonna bother me, but I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna take it out to the. All right, so we're here with Narari now in the garage, and these are the sneakers here. Now that you can see them in the daylight. Not sure. I mean, I like the way this looks too, because you know I got the white and the red, but that doesn't look bad. Just the red is not as red, but the combination of it, of the white and the red, that looks good. Versus this, I'm not sure. It's the Jordan 6 Carmine. I mean, out in the sun it looks good. I do like the way that the sneaker in general matches with the Ryker, the color scheme, the pattern, you know, the red, the white. You have the Flight, which is all red. I don't know. Which one do you guys like? Let's switch this one from here. Let's put this one here. Now that looks good. That actually looks good. Huh. I think they both look good. Let me know what sneaker you think look better. Please don't forget to subscribe. Definitely helps me grow my channel. These are fire.